Madam, I rise to ask question 162 of 2015, stating in my name in today's order paper, and the question is directed to the Honorable Prime Minister, Minister for Ethiopia Affairs and Sugar Industry. He's already eager to answer, I believe. Thank you. Would the Minister explain what does he and the Fiji Sugar Corporation Chairman mean by the statement that the Sugar Master Award is outdated?
Thank you. I invite the Honorable Prime Minister, Minister for Ethiopia Affairs and Sugar Industry, to have the floor.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I want to add on my well wishes to Honorable Ngabak on his 68th birthday? 64. Hey. 64. We didn't see the Honorable Attorney General. If we had given him the opportunity, he would be running around here clapping. And I just want to add on a couple of statements to the Honorable Minister for Defense. I know for a fact that the police are also investigating people from Nandonga and people from Tunloa with regards to marijuana farming. And I also note, Madam Speaker, that at one stage, Honorable Kilraki and Honorable Bultabo, Honorable Ndulaki Virat, Honorable Nanabo stood up wanting to find out more about this. And I know also for a fact that the police are also looking into their area. Madam Speaker, I thank the Honorable Member for this question because once again, Madam Speaker, it shows his myopic view of the sugar industry. As a below average farmer, it might be good to let him know about what's happening in the sugar industry. Very simply, Madam Speaker, we are now in the sugarcane industry and not the sugar industry. There is quite a difference. We will be diversifying into sugarcane related products, and such matters need to be explicitly covered in the revised Master Award. And for that reason, Madam Speaker, what we mean is that the Sugar Master Award, which is part of the Sugar Industry Act in 1984, is 31 years old, and various provisions are no longer relevant. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. Supplementary question, the Honorable Prem Singh.
There's still a Sugar Industry Act 1984 in place, and the Sugar Industry Act provides that any review of the Master Award must be in concurrence with the board of the Sugarcane Growers Council. At the moment, there is no board, which were taken away in 2006. Madam Speaker, in view of that, isn't it illegal for the Minister to order a review of the Master Award when the Sugarcane Growers Council board is not in place? They are the only authority which, if there is a review, can be concurred with.
Thank you. Honorable Prime Minister, Minister for Ethiopia and Sugar Industry.
Madam Speaker, we are trying to change the Sugarcane Act. And that is why the sugarcane industry has engaged a consultant to conduct consultations with all industry stakeholders, including all farmers, including all below average farmers, to help establish a modern system. Thank you.
Thank you. Supplementary question.
The Honorable Prime Minister said that the reason for the review is that because it's old. But we have legislation here that go back 100 years. Could you explain to the House when was the last review conducted? When can we expect the next review, and what aspects of the Sugarcane Award will be reviewed?
Thank you, Honorable Prime Minister.
Honorable Kula was listening. He would have heard me say that we are conducting consultations. Thank you.
Thank you.
Why is the last one so important when we're dealing with the new sugar industry?
Thank you. Thank you. Are you asking a supplementary question? Or? No, you are allowed only one supplementary question per person. Per member, sorry.